Hey Gary, we got your 93 Ford F250 5.8 liter computer done, the M2D1, and it came out great. So this was your problem. This bottom capacitor has some serious corrosion below it, and it ate the traces. Some of those traces go over here to that guy. He's your 5-volt regulator. And that's why you didn't have 5 volts, making your computer useless. So we got that one fixed up. The green stuff is a new conformal coating that's hardened with UV light. So that's what that is. We do so much repair in this area here that a lot of stuff was kind of exposed, so we recoated it. These others not so much, didn't have to really. This one here is nice and clean, looks good. Doesn't appear to be any real damage below it either. And then this guy, he's good. Like new. Now the real question is, does it work? So this is power. This is the check engine light. This is the fuel pump. We should see the check engine light come on when you turn the key on. We should see the fuel pump turn on for 1 second and then go out. And we should see 5 volts on the regulator, which is definitely was your problem. So here we go. Jackpot. 5 volts. Great. Now, as far as the lights, start over. Check engine light comes on. Fuel pump runs for 1 second like it should. Everything looks good. Go into code pulling mode. It'll freak out for a second, then it'll start blinking some trouble codes. Good to go. The most important part though, we got your 5-volt regulator back to working, and that was definitely your major malfunction. So I think this is going to be a great fix for you. All right, boss, talk to you soon.